Welcome to the eSail Instructor tutorial, opting in for MediaSite recording. This tutorial will walk you through the process to ensure your class sessions are recorded with MediaSite. You must complete this process to be recorded. First, log into Howdy at https://howdy.tamu.edu. Then, enter your NetID and password and click Next. Second, on your phone's Duo application, tap the Approved button. You are now logged into the Howdy portal. At the top of the page, go to the Faculty Teaching tab. Then click on Class Roster and Syllabus in the Instructor Class Management area. Here, you will see a list of your courses and a new column at the far right called Lecture Recorded. Check the box for courses you would like to be recorded. You will only see this option for courses scheduled in rooms with built-in recorders. Once you have clicked the box, the text will change to Enabled. This means the course will be automatically recorded. You can see in the example that recording cannot be enabled for online sections, since it is not scheduled in a physical room. If you have an online section, please make sure to combine the sections in Orca to ensure the distant students will see the recording. You did it! Whoop! For information about combining courses and other start of semester procedures, please see our tutorial Canvas course launch checklist. If you need more help, please contact us at esail@tamu.edu.